15.
15 seconds.
Farley 1.
Yep. Right 8 opens, 30, crest, flat right to flat left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 8 opens, 30, crest, flat right into flat left, into, right 5 stay in, into, maybe right 5 stay in, into, left 4 extra long.
Right 4.
Left 4 extra long. Into, right 9. 50. Right 8. 50. Right 8 over kick. Into left 5 up. Left 5 up, flat right. Into left 7. Into crest. Into right 8. You'll be left 7 into crest. Into right 8. 50. Right over crest. 50. Left 9 extra long over crest. Into.
Yep.
Right 7 long through water. Tightens 5 over crest. Into. Left 7.
It's just 6 in here.
6. Tightens 6.
Tightens.
Yep. Into left 7, into right 8, into left 3 long, open 6. And then we're coming up on the bumps here. 50, bumpy left 7, into caution, lots of big bumps, to right 8. Big bump left 7, and then big bumps here into right 8. Into right 7. Into left 9 down. Right 7 to left 9 down. 100 up. Left 9 over big crest, tightens 8, 50. Left 8 short over crest, 50. Left 8 narrows off camber. Repeat, left 8 narrows off camber, 100.
Yep.
Left 9 over crest, 80. Left 9, 50. Right 8 up, 30. Left 9 over big crest, 50. Crest, 30. Left 7, repeat, 50 crest, 30 left 7 here, 50. Right 9 tightens 7 over second crest. It'll be right 9 tightens 7.
Water on the left 7.
Yep. 80. Left 5 opens. 50. Right 8. 50. Crest into right 7. 80. And then line over crest into left 9 long tightens 6 late. It'll be left 9 long tightens 6 late. 50. Crest into left 7 tightens 4 at junction. Repeat, left 7 tightens 4 at junction here. 100 off camber down.
It's a 6 tightens 4.
Okay, 6.
What's
Off camber down. Right 5 extra long opens tightens after crest into left 8. Repeat, tightens after crest here into left 8. 30. Stay right over 2 crests. 30. Bump left 6 off camber stay in opens. Repeat, left 6 bumpy off camber stay in opens. 80. Right 8 opens through water. 80. Left 7. 50. Stay right over crest. 50 water.
Look on the left 7. Left
3,
what?
left 3 here tightens over crest.
Oh, repeat that, please.
And yeah, right 5 don't cut. Sorry, I was fixing this note.
Yep.
100. Left 8. Maybe 100. Left 8 into right 8. 30. Right crest into right 8, 80. Left 8 up, crest to right 8 here, and then left 8 up, 80. Right 9 over jump, 80. Crest into left 8. Long tightens 5. Left 8 long tightens 5.
5 needs to come
Yep,
with it.
Yep, sorry. I'll have that here. 50 crest into left 3, 100 up. Right 2 after the 100 up. Right 2. Line 100. Right 9, 80. And then right 9 tightens 8, 50. Keep mid over crest into bump. Right 9 long over 2 crests. Into right 7, 80. Left 5. Into right 9, 50. Left 7. Into left 6 long opens. Repeat, left 7 to left 6 long opens. 50. Bump into right 2 late, stay in. Repeat, right 2 late, stay in. Into left 7 opens. Left 7 opens, 150.